Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to play heavy games on your small mobile. If you have a mobile with RAM like 2 GB RAM, 3 GB RAM, you will be able to play PUBG and use heavy applications like many applications are heavy which do not run on small devices. But today I have very important setting for you. If you are wanting to use heavy applications on your small mobiles, like you are wanting to play PUBG is a heavy game. If you are wanting to play PUBG, Free Fire, GTA Vice City is also very heavy game. You are wanting to play that games on your mobile. If your mobile RAM is only 2 GB, not above than 2 GB, then you will also be able to play PUBG on your 2 GB mobile RAM. For this purpose you have to do only one setting. It is a very important setting. In this video I will tell you that about that setting. This video is going too long, but this video is very important for you, because in this video I will tell you very informative setting. After doing this setting, you will not only be able to play heavy games, use heavy apps on your mobile, but I will also be able to do many important use important features, and after using that features your phone will run like a heavy mobile. So so I am going to tell you. So for this purpose, first of all, go to setting app. I am going to setting app now. Watch this video carefully, because if you skip any part of this video, then you will not be able to not be able to play heavy games, use heavy applications, because this setting is very important. So start this video. First of all, come on setting app. I am coming on setting app option. You can see setting icon here. Click it. Click it. You can see here are two options, general option and all option. Here in general you can see only the very 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 options, and here you can see only you can done your setting only few settings on your mobile. And here are general settings. You all know about this setting, but if you come in all, here are a lot of settings. You had never seen these settings before. You can see wireless and networks. First option is dual code management, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data usage. More in more you can also see the more options like aeroplane mode. You can also enable your aeroplane mode from here. If you have not any icon like, but I have a icon of aeroplane mode here also, so I my enable my aeroplane mode here. If you have not any icon in front of screen, then you come back, you come here and enable it. You can also see the option of tethering and portable hotspot VPN, but it is not your work, it is not your purpose, because you are wanting to play PUBG on your mobile. For playing PUBG you have to do another setting, and for this setting I will tell you. Come back, and you can see home desktop style. Here display, from display option you can increase your brightness of your screen, increase the size of fonts you are seeing on screen, like if the in for example in the option of desktop style, if I am wanting to increase the size of D, then I come here display font size. Come on font size, like my font size is normal, and you can see the size of like wallpaper size is w is normal, but I am wanting to see it in large size. Yeah, if I click large option, then it will large. But if I am wanting to see it in more large size, then very large. You can see there is a great difference between this size and previous size. If I wanting to see it very huge size, then I click it, and it is very important. And if you are wanting to increase your brightness, if you have not any icon like I have an icon also here, but in some mobiles the option of brightness is not here. uh, if you are wanting to increase your brightness, then come here in setting, and first of all come in display, and then you can increase brightness here. And like this I am decreasing brightness, my phone screen is going to dull, and if I increase brightness, my phone screen will bright. Okay. Okay, it is sleep option. It means if you click if you enable 1 minute option, then your phone will sleep after 1 minute. If you click 30 seconds, your phone will sleep after 30 seconds. If you are wanting to sleep your mobile phone screen after 15 seconds, then enable it. But generally, I am wanting to sleep my phone after 30 seconds, so I am enabling 30-second option. And also adaptive brightness, optimize brightness levels for available light. It is automatic option. If you go in darkness, then your mobile brightness will automatically increase. So fuse size, I have told you about fuse size. Wallpaper is also important, but it is not our topic of today. So come back, and I am going to tell you about original things, what am wanting to tell you. So come back on setting. Here you can hear, first of all, I was here display, audio profile, storage, battery is also very important option. But I will make my video about battery in a few days. So screen log, location, D&D, product apps, security, accounts. Here you can manage your Google accounts, email accounts, YouTube accounts, and all that. Applications, here you can see how many applications are in your mobile. Like I am clicking it, I my mobile have uh, there are all applications are in my mobile. But if I am wanting to see the running option, the active application, so I will come here, and then here I can see the result of active applications. It will take some time. Okay, so setting is also running, vidma recorder is also running, phone manager is also running, Android system, Google Play, camera is also running, sound recorder, Microsoft launcher, Android keyboard is also running. Downloaded, how many applications I have downloaded in my mobile. You can see here Chrome, Daraz, and you can also see the MB, that how many MB the Chrome is using. 137 MB, Daraz 295 MB, and all that. YouTube 1.09 GB, YouTube Studio 124 MB. Come back. I am going to original topic now. Then, because this video is going to very important for you, so don't skip any part of this video. Because if you skip any part of my video, then you will not be able to play heavy games, use heavy application on your mobile. So watch this video carefully, and comment me if you have any problem after watching this video, after doing this setting. If you have any problem, then comment me, I will help you. So come on, motion control, navigation bar, date and time, language. There are also very important option, but it is not our topic of today. First, come on about phone option. I have already developer option, but in some mobile there is no any developer option. So if you have no any developer option, then not don't be worried. Come on about phone option. Here you can see the information about your mobile, like Uh, Here I can see the model number Huawei IT U02 processor RAM. Here is very important thing that my phone RAM is only 2 GB RAM. You can see my phone RAM is only 2 GB. Here you can see 2 GB RAM, but on this RAM I will play PUBG. I will play PUBG in front of you here. And also my phone storage is also 16 GB only, but PUBG is very heavy game. But after doing this setting I will be able to play PUBG on 2 GB RAM and on 16 GB memory mobile. You can see here, come on build number option. Build number option is generally found in all mobiles. Click it for 3 to 5 times. I am clicking it for 3 to 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. After clicking 5 times you can see the option of no need, you are already a developer. It means that you have enabled the setting. Come back. Here you can see a new option like developer option. First of all you had not any developer option, but now you have enabled it developer options. It is very important option. It will develop your phone into a new phone. From previous mobile your phone will change into new mobile and heavy mobile. Click it, open it. First of all, if your developer option is disabled like this, first enable it. And here you can see the option allow development setting. These settings are intended for development use only. They can cause your device and the applications on it to break or misbehave. It is if you are wanting to enable it, but this is not important thing. Okay, come. Here are very important options. But here is very important point that if you enable this option your phone battery will decrease rapidly than normally, because this is a developer option setting. This is very important setting. This cause your CPU work fast. It has a great effect on your CPU and software. So enable it when you are wanting to use any heavy game, use any heavy app. Then not use it at all day, at any time. Only use when you are wanting to do your important work, play PUBG. So very important option. But I am going to on your important option. Here you can see show touch is option. If you are wanting to show touch on your screen, then you can enable it. Like I am enabling it here. If I touch here, you can see the dot, white dot here. Where I touch here is the option of dot. So I am not wanting to show touch on my screen, so I am disabling it. The important option that I am wanting to tell you is force GPU rendering. If you enable it, your GPU will run very fast, and that is why you will be able to play PUBG on your mobile after enabling it. One option is this, and one option is here, force for multiply MSAA. It is very important option because it will increase the efficiency of your mobile CPU and GPU. After enabling it, your mobile CPU will work very hard, work very fast and efficiently. So show CPU usage. If you are wanting to know about your mobile information, about your mobile apps, you can enable it. Uh, you can see when I enable it, I can see the option video screen recorder, video editor. Very important information it is telling me, but I am not wanting to see this information now, so I am disabling it. So in this video I have told all important things about speed up your mobile, So play you can play PUBG after enabling this setting. So tell me what is the result of this setting after enabling it. Will you can you could you play PUBG after enabling it? Tell me in comment. I have given my channel link in description. So if you are new on my channel, you have not subscribed my channel yet, you can subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more informative videos, because I always help you about using of mobiles using of heavy applications, all that I make videos related to tech, and I will also help you if you are wanting to earn money online, if you are wanting to play heavy games, earn money from Facebook, earn money from YouTube, earn money from other apps and games. Then I will help you. Comment me what